Luxury isn't just about scale. It's also about how everyday spaces, finishes, or even plants are designed to feel special. Today, we are exploring three elements that shape the way your home feels every single day. A family room designed for Maverick House, flooring myths about luxury, and simple tips to style indoor plants. These details like living areas, materials, and greenery may look small, but together they define the art of home design. Let's begin with the heart of most homes, that is the family room. In Maverick House, we designed the family room as a warm central hub, making it comfortable, stylish, and deeply personal. We prioritized zoning. Lounge seating was placed to capture natural light, while storage walls doubled as display niches. This balanced function and character without cluttering the space. Furniture was layered for all occasions like solo lounging, family movie nights, board games, and larger gatherings. Modular seating gave flexibility. Movable sections allowed reconfiguration, while built-in consoles integrated technology without disturbing aesthetics. Textures and tones reflected the family's lifestyle. That is, inviting yet elegant, comfortable yet striking. Material palettes were chosen with intent. Warm neutrals with accents, fabrics tested for durability, and finishes chosen to age gracefully with daily use. That was family comfort. Now let's tackle a flooring myth that limits how we think of luxury. Terrazzo flooring adds personality, making it playful, timeless, and unique. It feels luxe while being practical. Terrazzo uses marble chips set in concrete for durability. We designed custom mixes with controlled color palettes, creating one-of-a-kind luxury patterns without being high maintenance. Limestones like French vanilla feels understated and elegant, perfect for modern luxury interiors. Limestone finishes create a soft, matte look. We seal them with breathable coatings, balancing natural beauty with protection, especially for large luxury floor areas. Polished concrete or micro concrete offers an industrial chic look, which provides a modern, bold take on flooring beyond regular marble floors. With advanced sealants, concrete floors achieve high polish and stain resistance. We use it in contemporary projects where seamless monolithic expanses are part of the design language. We have looked at family and flooring. Now let's bring the design alive by something natural like indoor plants. Group plants in odd numbers, like clusters of 3 or 5, always feel more natural and stylish. Scale matters. Tall plants define corners, while medium and small ones soften tabletops. We study ceiling height and circulation before finalizing plant sizes. Use textured pots like ceramic, stone, or metallic to make the greenery double as decor. The weight of pot and drainage are technical checks. We design concealed saucers and select finishes that resist staining, ensuring long-term maintenance that does not spoil the aesthetics. Mix heights like floor plants with shelf plants to create layers and depth. We place plants near light sources, but shield sensitive species with blinds or diffusers. This balances growth health with interior light control. So whether it's family rooms, flooring choices, or indoor plants, designing them with intention creates comfort and character. That's the real art of home design. This is Digvijay Architects, bringing clarity, warmth, and confidence to India's finest homes.